Last month, I ruined a perfect dinner party. I tried searing steaks indoors, and within minutes, my apartment was filled with choking smoke, triggering the fire alarm and leaving a lingering grease smell for days. Buying a portable range hood seemed like the obvious fix, but navigating the sea of weak motors and flimsy filters is a nightmare. Some barely move air, while others sound like jet engines. Today, I'm breaking down the top 7 portable range hoods to show you exactly which one will save your kitchen and your sanity. 7. TERRIFI Portable Range Hood. When I first pulled this out of the box, I was genuinely intrigued by its ultra-compact, rechargeable design. It looks like a sleek little tower that you can place right next to your camping stove or indoor grill, and the promise of a washable filter seemed like a massive convenience for easy cleanup. The built-in battery is a nice touch, theoretically allowing you to move it around the kitchen or even take it outdoors without being tethered to a wall outlet. However, once I actually put it to the test during a simple bacon frying session, reality set in quickly. The suction power is severely lacking for anything beyond a very gentle simmer. It struggles to capture the heavier, grease-laden smoke that inevitably splatters and wafts away from the immediate vicinity of the intake. I found myself having to practically rest my frying pan against the hood just to get it to catch a fraction of the cooking fumes, which completely defeats the purpose of having a dedicated workspace. Another frustrating aspect I encountered is the battery life. While being cordless is heavily marketed as its main selling point, the battery drains astonishingly fast when running on the highest speed setting. You might get through one quick meal prep, but if you're doing any batch cooking or hosting a tabletop barbecue night, this unit will leave you stranded in a cloud of smoke before the meat is even fully cooked. It forces you to keep it plugged in anyway, ruining the wireless illusion. Finally, the noise-to-performance ratio is quite unbalanced on the TERRIFI. Despite not pulling in very much air, the internal motor whines with a high-pitched hum that becomes incredibly grating after 10 minutes of use. 6. Mtutu STF 160 Portable Range Hood. I had slightly higher hopes for this one because it features a 120-degree adjustable head and utilizes both an aluminum mesh and an activated carbon filter. The design is a bit more robust than the TERRIFI, and the adjustable angle means you can theoretically point the intake directly over your taller pots or angled skillets. It looks decent sitting on a countertop, mimicking the styling of a modern desk lamp more than a traditional kitchen appliance. In practice, the adjustable head is a great idea that is unfortunately hindered by poor mechanical execution. The hinge mechanism on my test unit felt remarkably stiff initially, but after a few weeks of adjusting it up and down, it started to lose its grip. It would slowly droop downwards under its own weight while I was trying to extract steam from a boiling pot of pasta. You end up having to constantly readjust it mid-cook, which is the absolute last thing you want to do with greasy hands. Then there is the issue with the airflow dynamics. While the carbon filter does a marginally better job at neutralizing light odors than a standard mesh filter alone, the internal fan just does not have the necessary cubic feet per minute to handle high heat cooking. When I tried searing burgers, the thick smoke simply bypassed the hood entirely, billowing up to the ceiling before the fan could draw it in. It creates a very narrow funnel of suction that is incredibly unforgiving if your pan isn't perfectly centered. Maintenance also proved to be a bit of a headache with the STF 160. The replacement activated carbon filters are notoriously difficult to source, and they fill up with grease surprisingly quickly. 5. AAOBOSI H1-3600 Portable Range Hood. This desktop extractor brings a much-needed boost in power compared to our previous contenders. Right away, the build quality feels more substantial, and the large intake caliber immediately suggests it can handle a bit more culinary abuse. I set this up next to an indoor electric grill to see how it handled a sustained barrage of smoke and oil droplets during a weekend lunch prep. The performance bump is definitely noticeable right out of the gate. The motor on the AAOBOSI pulls a respectable amount of air, effectively capturing the steam and lighter smoke from stir-frying vegetables and simmering thick sauces. I was pleased to see that it features a multi-layer filtration system that does an adequate job of trapping grease before it can coat your kitchen cabinets. The controls are straightforward and responsive, making it easy to bump up the fan speed when a recipe suddenly gets a bit too smoky. However, it is not without its spatial quirks. The unit is fairly bulky, taking up a significant footprint on the countertop. If you have a small kitchen or limited prep space, you might find that this hood gets in the way of your cutting boards and ingredient bowls. Additionally, while the suction is much improved, it still struggles with heavy, rolling smoke from searing thick steaks. You have to keep the unit positioned uncomfortably close to the heat source to maximize its effectiveness. On the plus side, cleaning the AAOBOSI is relatively painless and straightforward. The front grille pops off easily, and the primary grease traps are dishwasher safe, which is a massive time saver at the end of the night. 4. Airthereal RH180B True HEPA Portable Range Hood. This is where we start seeing some serious innovation in the portable hood market, specifically with the inclusion of a true HEPA filter. When I unboxed the RH180B, its sleek, modern aesthetic immediately caught my eye. It doesn't look like a piece of industrial restaurant equipment. Rather, it blends beautifully into a contemporary kitchen environment. The rechargeable battery is incredibly robust, finally delivering on the promise of true, reliable cordless freedom. Testing this unit was a genuinely pleasant and surprising experience. I decided to challenge it with a notoriously smelly task: deep frying fish. The true HEPA filtration system proved to be an absolute game changer. Not only does it suck in the visible smoke, but it actively scrubs the air of the microscopic odor particles that usually linger for days. I was amazed to walk into my kitchen the next morning and find it completely devoid of that stale, fried oil smell. The airflow management is also highly refined on this model. The RH180B uses a specialized fan design that creates a surprisingly wide capture zone. Unlike the lower-ranked models that require perfect, pinpoint alignment, this hood manages to pull in fumes even if your pan is slightly off to the side. The different speed settings actually provide distinct levels of power, allowing you to tailor the suction to whatever you happen to be cooking, from a light simmer to an aggressive pan fry. The only real caveat here is the ongoing cost of maintenance. Because it relies on true HEPA filters to achieve that incredible air scrubbing performance, you will need to replace those filters periodically, and they aren't exactly cheap. 3. Breetee AH003 Desktop Smoke Extractor. This unit is an absolute powerhouse disguised in a compact, highly functional frame. The moment I turned this on, the sheer force of the airflow was evident. It is designed specifically for high-intensity indoor cooking, like hot pot and Korean barbecue, where smoke generation is continuous and heavy. The build quality is exceptional, featuring durable materials that can clearly withstand the intense heat and splatters of a busy cooking session. I put the Breetee to the ultimate test during a massive family hot pot dinner. Normally, my dining room windows would be completely fogged up with condensation within 20 minutes. I positioned the AH003 right next to the bubbling broth, and the results were incredible. The extractor practically inhaled the steam and spicy fumes, preventing them from spreading across the table. It maintained a clear line of sight for everyone and kept the humidity in the room completely under control. What makes this model stand out is its specialized multi-stage filtration system that is meticulously engineered for heavy grease. It doesn't just trap the oil, it seems to seamlessly separate it from the air, ensuring that the internal motor stays clean and efficient over time. I was particularly impressed by how easy it was to dismantle the filtering components for a deep clean after a greasy feast. Everything snaps together with satisfying precision, making maintenance a breeze. Furthermore, the noise level is surprisingly well managed given the massive amount of air it moves. It hums with a deep, low frequency that easily fades into the background noise of a dinner party, rather than piercing through conversations. 2. AirHood 2 Pro Portable Kitchen Air Cleaner. The original AirHood was a massive hit, and the Pro version takes everything that was good about it and dials it up to 11. Visually, it is stunning. It has a retro-modern vibe that makes it a conversation piece as much as a kitchen appliance. The weighted base ensures absolute stability on the counter, and the tall, elegant neck positions the intake perfectly above your standard pots and pans. The performance of the AirHood 2 Pro is simply phenomenal. I tested it while searing a thick-cut ribeye steak in a smoking hot cast iron skillet, the ultimate challenge for any range hood. The Pro didn't flinch. It created an immediate, powerful vacuum effect, pulling the dense, greasy smoke horizontally into its dual filter system before it even had a chance to rise to the ceiling. I didn't even have to open a window, which is usually a mandatory step when I'm cooking steaks indoors. The filtration technology here is top tier. It utilizes a stainless steel oil filter to catch the heavy splatters, followed by a highly effective activated charcoal filter to eliminate the smoke and odors. The stainless steel filter is completely dishwasher safe, and the charcoal filters have a remarkably long lifespan compared to cheaper competitors. I also love the boost function, which gives you an extra surge of suction for those moments when a pan suddenly flashes and generates an unexpected burst of smoke. What truly solidifies its position at number 2 is the flawless user experience. The interface is elegant. The unit is incredibly easy to move around despite its solid construction, and it operates with a smooth, refined hum that never feels intrusive. 1. Ciarra Detachable Aluminum Portable Range Hood. Ciarra is a brand renowned for its full-sized, installed kitchen ventilation, and they have miraculously packed that commercial-grade expertise into a portable, desktop-friendly format. When I set this up, the first thing I noticed was the sheer build quality. The recycled aluminum construction is not only environmentally conscious, but also incredibly durable and incredibly easy to wipe down after a messy meal. To truly test the Ciarra, I decided to do a massive batch of pan-fried dumplings, followed by blackening some heavily spiced chicken breasts. The suction power on this unit is nothing short of breathtaking. It features a high-velocity motor that creates a veritable wind tunnel, effortlessly capturing intense smoke, heavy steam, and airborne grease from multiple pans simultaneously. It completely transformed my kitchen environment, keeping the air pristine and preventing that sticky film of grease from settling on my countertops. The absolute genius of the Ciarra lies in its advanced, multi-layer detachable filtration system. It uses a combination of high-density aluminum mesh and polymer filters that capture an astonishing amount of particulate matter. But the best part is that the entire filtration block is easily detachable and 100% dishwasher safe. You simply pop it out, run it through a normal cycle, and it comes out looking brand new. There are no expensive proprietary paper filters to replace, meaning the long-term running cost is virtually zero. Beyond its unmatched power and ingenious cleaning system, the Ciarra operates with a refined efficiency that leaves the competition in the dust. It offers multiple speed settings that cater to everything from a quiet, gentle simmer to aggressive wok cooking. And even on its highest setting, the acoustic engineering minimizes motor whine beautifully.